Hi, this is Lisa Somerville for Divinity Designs. Thank you for joining us for our Christmas Crafting Weekend Open House event. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of our village die sets. Along with additional Divinity Designs products. Later in this video, Kelly Holland will be joining us with a close-up look at some of the samples created by our design team. Divinity Designs carries different die sets that you can use to create scenes for your cards, scrapbook pages, or home decor projects. Both the House and Layer Silhouettes and Tree and Hill Silhouettes die sets coordinate with our A2 base cards. The House and Layer Silhouettes is a set of 6 dies. You have 2 different house dies along with 2 different layering dies. And the Tree and Hill Silhouettes die set is a set of 5. You have the Snow Hill, the Tree Hill, 2 deer, and a tree. And here you can see those sets used on an A2 landscape card, along with additional Divinity Designs products. And here those dies are cut down to fit inside the snow globe wide die set. And here you can see some of those dies used along with our diorama card with layers die set. This does fold flat for mailing purposes. And here's another die set for A2 cards. This is the Christmas Village and Layers die set. It's a set of 7. You have the tree outline, houses silhouette layer, streetlight panel, houses panel, a verse rectangle, and a verse rectangle layer. And here you can see that die set used on a finished card along with additional Divinity Designs products. On this card, I did also add our A2 thin pierced frame to the top of the die cut panels. And here I cut down those dies to fit inside our diorama card with layers die set. Again, that card folds flat for mailing purposes. Again, we also have dies that can be used along with our slimline die collection. We have the slimline house and layer silhouettes and the slimline tree and hill silhouettes. The slimline house and layer silhouettes is a set of 4. You have the house silhouettes, the house layer, and 2 fence dies. And to create your scenes, you can use the slimline tree and hill silhouettes. There's the tree hill and 2 snow hills. In addition to using those die sets with our slimline die collection, shown here, I've used them along with the Advent calendar treat boxes. When using these silhouette dies, or the tree outline and houses silhouettes from the Christmas Village and Layers die set, you're going to notice that there's no cut line at the bottom of these die sets. That's so when you use these dies, you can die cut them to fit your projects. Additional inspiration and videos can be found on the product pages of our website. Now, Kelly Holland will be joining us to share a close-up look at some of the projects created by our design team. For more inspiration using these products, visit the product pages on our website, like us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram.